Hey everybody, Neil Malik with Knack Training here, bringing you another Everyday Office video. And in today's video, I'd like to highlight 3 date functions and one function that's not a date function, but that I use all the time in replacement of the date functions. So if you have a column full of dates like I have over here, it can be relatively simple to see a situation where you would want to get the year off of the date. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people think that what they should be doing is saying, oh, get the last 4 digits off of cell C3. But unfortunately, because dates are actually saved as number values, we actually find that the information is not in there as 2015, but rather some random number representing the day that we're talking about. So instead, there are 3 functions in the Formulas tab underneath the Date and Time drop-down menu that are very easy to use and very easy to understand. They're called Year, they're called Month, and they're called Day. I know, shocking, right? I wonder what those are all about. So here's Year, and I simply go with the Year function and say, tell me what year this is. And you see it instantly tells me, oh, the year in this cell is 2015. I hit OK, and then I autofill that down. You see here I've got my dates being randomly generated, and every time my dates change, you can see there the year function picks up on that. So let's now use month and day. I can just do = month, for example, and feed it 2/16 of 2015, and what it should spit out is what month we're talking about. Now it says 8/26 of 2016, and you can see the 8 right there. You can see the 1, the 3, the 6, the 11. And the exact same way, = day, and then feed it the date that we're talking about. And it'll tell me, oh yeah, that is the 30th or the 4th or the 19th or the 2nd. However, here's the problem. This is just a number value being pulled from the date. So it's just the number 11, it's just the number 27, it's just the number 20. What I really want sometimes is January, February, March, April, May, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And unfortunately, month and day, those 2 functions will not give me that information. I could use the month function and then say, okay, if it's a 1, give me January, and if it's a 2, give me February, but that would be exhausting. Nobody wants to have to go through that. So instead, I'm going to use the text function. Let's just go ahead and see what that's like. The text function asks you for the formatting that you would like to apply to whatever it is that we're talking about. So $text, the text function. You can find the text function if you come over here to the text drop-down menu. You'll find the function is simply called text. Okay, so $text, and then I feed it the value of 12/23/2016 and a comma. Now, how does formatting come into play? Well, the first thing you do is you put in quotation marks, because the thing I'm about to type is a random pattern of letters and symbols that let Excel know how I want this to be portrayed. And if what I'm looking for is the month of December written out, if I type in 1M, what it will do is it'll put in the number 12. And the same thing if I put in 2 M's, that'll be the number 12. If I put in 3 M's, that'll be the abbreviation DEC. And then if I put in 4 M's, it will give me the full word December. And then I close the quotation marks there and close the parentheses. So now, by putting in 4 M's into the text function, it tells me April or October or February, and you can see here what the difference is. 7/4/2016, the year function gives me 2016, perfectly usable. The month function gives me 7, which could be helpful, or it could be frustrating. And in the same way, the day function gives me 4, and that could be helpful, or it could be frustrating. Let's see the exact same thing happen for the days of the week. $text, pass in the date in question, comma, quotation marks, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4 Ds, close quotation marks and close parentheses. 1D would be a 4, 2 Ds would be 0, 4, 3Ds would be, whatever it is, or fry or whatever the abbreviation for that day of the week is. And then if it's Wednesday, it would be Wednesday for 4Ds. And that right there gives me the full name of the day of the week. So we can use functions like month and day to get the number values. But if what we're looking for is November or Friday, we instead want to use the text function together with a little simple number formatting. M's give me the month, D's give me the day, and if I do 4 of them, it gives me the fully written out version of that. If I do 3, it'll give me the abbreviation.